Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and draining the paint, safety first. Once done, remove the cup and unscrew the main housing to expose the motor and fluid passages. Check seals and visible blockages immediately. A clogged nozzle or torn gasket is the most common fault. Use a soft brush and solvent to clear paint buildup, and keep screws and small parts in a tray so you won't lose them while you move to test electrical components. Now you methodically disassemble to isolate the fault. Remove the nozzle assembly and the atomizing needle and examine for wear or hardened paint. Next, test the motor and trigger switch with a multimeter to confirm power delivery. Inconsistent readings point to wiring or switch failure. Clean fluid and air channels with appropriate solvent so parts seat correctly. Replace any O-rings or damaged nozzles, and apply a drop of light. Reassemble the gun carefully, aligning seals and seating the needle and nozzle before tightening screws. Once assembled, reconnect power and test spray with water or solvent to verify consistent atomization and pressure. Adjust the nozzle gap to restore pattern uniformity. If you still see sputtering or no motor spin, make sure electrical connections are solid and brushes are not worn. Swapping the switch or motor assembly often fixes persistent electrical faults. Remember, if issues persist after these steps, professional
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.